Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to find out why auto translate feature not work in YouTube subtitle for videos. Before starting work, is my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in language section, and we are in Spanish language, and then you see manual subtitle, and then you see add subtitle. So click on it, and then you see auto translate feature not available, not working. Then you see question mark. To use auto translate publish caption in the original video language first. Auto translate is unavailable for auto generated caption. So for this video, captions are auto generated by YouTube, so that's why we cannot use the auto translate feature for this caption for Spanish, because auto generated caption may not be accurate enough for reliable translation. If you want to use this auto translate feature, then you must manually create and publish caption in the video original language. So it's mean we should add subtitle or caption before publishing the video, but this video is already published and we don't add subtitle before publishing this video. So if you want to use this feature, then you must add subtitle before publishing the video. Now you see we uploaded video, and then you see in video element section add subtitle, reach a broader audience by adding subtitle. So you can add subtitle here, and then after publishing the video, so you can use auto translate feature. Now you see add, so click on it. So if you want, you can upload file, or if you want, you can type manually, so it's up to you. Now you see minute, second frame. If you want, you can add more caption, and if you have long video, then you can upload file. So you can upload file format .srt subrip subtitle, or you can upload text in file format .vtt web vtt, or you can upload text in file format .ass advanced substation alpha, or you can upload text in .sbv format subviewer format. So you can upload file directly, or you can type manually, so it's up to you. So in this way you can fix this issue. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.